Hey guys, this is how to read comments on threads. So, first thing that you will do, guys, is simply open up the threads application into your device. And now, from here, as you can see, you should be able to see multiple threads. And now, the problem is when we tap on the comment icon on their thread, as you can see, you will not be able to see the comment section and the replies. You should be able to see only the thread and the you. And now, in order for you to fix that, just simply go ahead and tap on the number of hours ago that they posted the thread. As you can see at the top, you should be able to see their username, and it is 14 hours. So just simply tap on that 14 hour. And now from here, guys, as you can see, we should be able to see all of the replies that they have, and you should be able to read some comments on the thread. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any question, just simply comment down below. And thanks for watching.